Shredded paper in the blender with some water, and we're going to pour it up because today we're making DIY paper and fabric paper. This is going to get loud. I'm going to leave it in there for a few minutes until it totally breaks down and becomes goo. Right. That looks positively gooey. We're going to add that to a bath that has some water in it and already has a little bit of paper pulp in there. And now we're going to make some fabric pulp. This started out as little quarter, half-inch chunks of fabric. We've already ran them through the the blender once. I'm going to run it through another time to loosen them up a bit more. With paper making, more water is more better. And we'll try not to break the jar. Oh, that looks better. I'm just going to reach all the way down to make sure the blade isn't coated. Nope, we're good. Most of this is breaking down. Some of it's not. What's breaking down is the cotton fibers. Most of these are quilters cottons. There's some that had heavy duty stamping and coloring on them. Those parts aren't breaking down as well. And the questionable fabrics that have poly cotton are also not breaking down as well. Let's add this in and pull us some paper. Always agitate your bath, get things really mixed up in there. Can you get a close-up of agitated and lovely that is? Here's a heavy-duty mold. Line it up, hold the sides. 1, 2, 3. Let it all drain out. The top piece is a mold and it's going to form your paper. The bottom is mesh, so it's just letting that water go right on through. All right, shake it just a little bit to get some of the drips out. Then hold it over and use Mr. Sponge to get a little bit more water out. Very gentle, not pushing hard at all, because you could pull up the sides. That pulled up a little bit. There you go. I got a lot of that water out. I'm just going to set her on down. Remove the mold from the decal. Just get little bits back in there. This is just cut up fabric, so waste not, want not. This was from a bed skirt that was no longer of use. Using the sponge to attach the new paper to the fabric piece. I'm gonna roll it on out here. Hold the bottom of your fabric as you peel back. And there is your new piece of paper. And we need to let this dry. And after it has dried a bit, we will press it flat between two boards or heavy books or whatever you have to get everything nice and flat. Thank you much.